So Optimizer empowers marketers worldwide to create best-in-class digital experiences. Specifically with Optimizer Campaign, our focus is on enabling marketers to get the most out of their own channels, like turning one-time customers into loyal advocates and maximizing customer lifetime value. Content creation within Campaign was a quite complex thing with a lot of clicks you needed to create content and also a lot of refreshes that had to happen before you actually see what you did. We also lacked the drag and drop interface. And this workflow that we had for a long time already was increasingly criticized by our customers. So the usability had to get improved, and this is why we were searching for alternatives. By utilizing Beefree SDK, we definitely save time and resources because it allows us to focus on other projects. It comes already with functionality that we don't have to build and maintain.
We tailor the editing experience closely to our optimized design. So this was a pretty detailed process to fully integrate the editor into Campaign.
We fully customized the CSS to match our brand's look and feel. Every dialogue and every message window is styled in the optimized UI. This is to ensure that it feels like an integrated part of Campaign. From the beginning, we had a very close and collaborative working relationship. Whenever we have questions, Beefree is there to help or to listen. That's a very friendly and constructive partnership. Your team is always open to our feature requests and quickly addresses issues that may arise for our individual customers and for specific use cases. Customers frequently tell us how much smoother and more engaging the process has become. Many report that creating newsletters now takes about half the time thanks to reusable elements and templates, while also improving the content quality for both desktop and mobile. Other customers said the intuitive drag and drop system and saved rows save us 50% of our time while giving us more creative freedom. With the new editor, we can take our marketing activities to the next level faster than ever. What used to take 20 minutes now takes 5.
Our customers can now implement their design ideas much more quickly. And they, of course, benefit from modern interaction patterns like drag and drop, and they no longer need any HTML knowledge or understanding of the underlying email template structure.
I would tell them that the search is over because with the Beefree SDK, they get the best embeddables editor solution on the market.